Tell me that's not a pretty dish.
You've outdone yourself.
Greetings and welcome to Cooking with Squirrel. If you're new here, I'm the Squirrel. Today we are doing the second in a three-part series for my best friend's birthday. He asked me to create a dish based around blue cheese and olives, green olives, and so I made three. We've got an appetizer, a main, and a dessert. The main is what we're working on today. It is a blue cheese sauced pasta with a nice steak, sliced steak across the top, and then a green olive chimichurri on top of that. So let's get into the cook for that now. All right, let's make our green olive chimichurri for our blue cheese and green olive chimichurri pasta. So we want to get that done as far ahead of time as possible. The longer it sits, the better it tastes. So we'll get that all put together. So we're going to start with 3/4 of a cup of olive oil. And then 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And we're gonna forget that we didn't cut our parsley yet. All right, we're magically back with 1/4 cup of finely chopped parsley, 1/2 cup of minced green olives, 1 red Fresno chili, and 4 cloves of garlic crushed, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of dried oregano. And we will crack in some fresh black pepper to taste. I like quite a bit. And we'll give this a good mix and set it aside to get to know itself. The base recipe for this chimichurri is by Karina of Cafe Delights and will be linked in the description below. It's about time to start putting the pasta together. So what I have here is a medium rare sous vide New York strip. We're gonna sear it off, slice it up. We're gonna make some pasta, run our blue cheese through the pasta, and top it with the chimichurri, and it's gonna be awesome. So let's salt the steak nicely, some oil in this pan, some pepper on this steak, into our pan. There we go, good sound. Pepper the other side. Throw a steak weight on here. Look at that. Sear coming in nicely. Alright. A little sear on the other side. There we go. Look at that. Do a little bit on the sides. All right, steak's done. We got some water coming up to a boil. We're gonna add a bunch of salt. So this is Mafaldine pasta and is bronze die cut. It's a local grocery store brand, but it's really quite good. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with this. Didn't quite make it, did we? We'll get it in there. Let's get a little more water going. Get some more boiling water in here. There we go. That'll make that a little easier. While we wait, we'll go ahead and slice this steak up. I need to sharpen my knife. Got a really nice crust on here though. Check our pasta. Feels like it's getting close. There we go. Alright, pasta's done. We're gonna pull it to the side into a separate bowl momentarily. Don't mind if we keep a little water with it. We will save some of this pasta water in case we need it. Get rid of this extra. Back in with our pasta. 8 ounces of blue cheese, roquefort, because it's delicious. It's also Chris's favorite and mine. Now what we're gonna do is melt this through all this pasta. And keep an eye on how thick and gooey it is. Determine if we need to add any water in. You see that blue cheese just kind of dissolving into a sauce around all this pasta. All right, I think our liquid levels are perfect. And I think it's time to plate. We're gonna grab a nice portion of our pasta. Come down in here, give it a little twisty mound guy. Grab a nice big portion of our steak. Nice pretty line here. And now our delicious, delicious chimichurri. A nice big spoonful of this. Now tell me that's not a pretty dish. Let's go see if the birthday boy likes it. All right, birthday boy.
Yes.
This is your blue cheese sauced muffaldine pasta with medium rare New York strip steak topped with olive chimichurri.
I actually want to just try a bite of this.
Do whatever you like, man. It's your dish.
Okay, now I'm going to just get a big bite of everything.
You'll want to twirl the pasta or that.
Yes, you've outdone yourself. I really, I don't know how you came up with this. Amazingly good.
Awesome.
I don't know what else to say.
That's good enough. Enjoy, man. The birthday boy loved his main course of steak and pasta with blue cheese and olive chimichurri. If you could help out by doing the like, comment, subscribe, YouTube-y stuff, that would really help the channel out. And if you have it within your power, please go out and do something nice for somebody today. Make the world a little bit better place. And thanks for stopping by.